Hi my friends, a very good morning, Suprabhat, Namaskar, Yule Yule, Dopa Delek. So I'm Anita, your host for today. And guys, as you can see, I'm dressed in a traditional attire. This is the Baku, this is Onjum, that's the inner blouse. This is Pangdim, this is generally worn by married ladies. And this is the cap. And this is Khao, which is the traditional jewelry. So guys, I am standing here right at the entrance of Inche Monastery. This is a very old monastery. It's in fact one of the oldest monasteries of the world. It is counted among the first 200 old monasteries, and it is also known as the Sacred Stable. It is a tourist attraction not only for the domestic tourists but also for the international tourists. Okay friends, so these are prayer wheels. In fact, they are 108 in number in the Inche Monastery, and as you can see, I'm moving them in a clockwise direction. And they have Buddhist mantras and shloks written here. They are an important part of the meditational exercise, and they are supposed to bring good omen and good luck to the people. Snow lion dance in Sikkim. It is also known as the Singi Cham dance, and this is performed during pujas and special festivities in Sikkim. Snow lions, as you see, they are white in color and they resemble mountain Kanchenjunga. This is the courtyard of the Inche Monastery, and this courtyard also has a lot of importance. Here the annual Cham dance or the mass dance is performed, and it happens during the festival of Losung. That is the festival of the Bhutias, and it's a mass dance. It is supposed to signify victory of good over evil. So friends, I am standing here inside the main worship hall, shrine of Inche Monastery. Right in front of me, I have Lord Buddha statue, Sakya Muni statue. On my right, I have Guru Padma Sambhava, and on my left is our Lokteshwara. They are the three gems, and they are worshipped by the Sikkimese people, and also tourists come here to offer their prayers. On the walls inside the worship hall, there are Thangka paintings. These are the traditional Buddhist paintings. Offering a butter lamp in a monastery, it's a very important part of the ritual, Buddhist ritual. And whoever comes here, they always carry butter lamp and light in the main shrine also. And there is a place where exclusively the butter lamps are lit and they are kept. So this is a very, very significant place where I am standing. This is the statue of Flying Monk, also known as Rutup Karpur. The story goes like this, that he was a saint and he meditated, and he was able to get such powers that he was able to fly and come over here right at this place. And it is believed that before this Inche Monastery there was a small hermit. It was actually a storehouse for the royal palace. And the ruler at that time was Thuttup Namgyal. So he, in his honor, actually built this monastery. So whoever comes here actually offers prayers to Flying Monk also. And he is also known as the White Saint. Chotan or the stupa, it is built in the pagoda style. It says that, Lord Buddha's spirit resides here. It contains relics of Buddha and also relics of lamas. It is believed to be in the shape of Lord Buddha. The curved part of it is supposed to be the head of Lord Buddha. The rectangular part is supposed to be the body, and the steps which you see are supposed to be legs of Buddha. These flags are found all across the monastery, and they hold a very important place in Buddhist religion. And Blue signifies clouds, white signifies the sky, red is fire, green is water, and yellow is earth. Young lamas who stay here, उनका life कैसी होती है?
उनकी लाइफ वो दूसरे बच्चे के जैसे ही होते हैं मोस्टली। तो अभी वो दूसरे बच्चे लोग जो हॉस्टल में रह के कैसे पढ़ाई करते हैं वैसे ही होते हैं, लेकिन इधर थोड़ा अभी उन लोग के थोड़ा पढ़ाई स्टडी में रोल थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही रहते हैं, क्योंकि अभी हमारा इधर बुद्धिज़्म के बारे में सिर्फ ही नहीं कि हम लोग अभी दूसरा सब्जेक्ट में भी थोड़ा उन लोग को फोकस देते हैं, इसीलिए उन लोग का थोड़ा अभी एक्टिविटी थोड़ा ज़्यादा रहते हैं उन लोग का।
अच्छा।
हाँ।
So guys, I am really feeling wonderful coming here, and I am at peace after coming to this Inchi monastery. And if you decide to come here to Sikkim, you cannot afford to miss this place. You have to come here, and I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Inchi monastery, and hope to see you soon here. Till then, stay safe, take care, and goodbye.